Good morning, everybody, and this is your SP 500 setups for today. So nothing really happened last week. Lots of up and down, as you can see. So obviously waiting for me to get back behind the trading desk. We have broken through a pretty key level here, and that is 45.71. So obviously I'd like to see a retest somewhere in this to validate this breakout. Looking at the oscillators here on the 8 hour, we do have a crossover and they are pointing up. So it is onwards and upwards as far as I'm concerned. Trend is up. We want to be trading with the trend. Now, the 3 hour, we had a pretty, I suppose we call it a volatile week. A big up, big down, no real direction. Just want to fine tune this level here. That is the one level that we're looking at, which is 45.72. Keep that in the back of your mind. Pay attention to the oscillators here on the 3 hour. It is indicating we are slightly overbought. Now, we do have obviously another level in play, but we're slightly below it at the moment. Being after hours, I wouldn't pay too much attention to it because there isn't really another level on the hour. The next logical one is all the way down here. So don't forget to drop us a comment and hit that like button. We'll be back until Christmas now before we take the next break. Anyway, at the moment, look like a bit of a consolidation going on here. We're probably going to find structure on a lower time frame. We do have a gap here, and going to have to go left. There it is there. Okay, so that's a 15-minute level there. So let's just go back and just see what we're looking for. So we've got a gap right here, which I suspect is going to close. No real gap lower down, but this would be the most logical level, 45.83. Have a look at the oscillators. They are starting to agree with that rationale as well. Failing that, you're probably going to be coming all the way back down to 45.77. I suspect we're going to find some kind of support here. So what may also happen is it'll break up, come back, and then use this as support, which is 45.90. That's a fairly big level. So that's probably the first one that I'll be paying attention to. This is the second one at 45.83 or 45.84. And what we're looking for, to be honest with you, is going to be a retest of 4600. You can see we touched on that last week. So that is going to be the next level that we need to break through and come back and test in order for us to start chasing longs again. So I just want to go to the weekly here. Really messy, as you can see. But if you look left, you can see the logic is sound. We need to get through all of this. There's just one more level, which is this weekly high here, and that is at 46.14. So we need to get through this area of chaos, come back and find support here, and then we are targeting this level here, 47.50, and then we'll target the all-time high, and then we'll break through the all-time high, and we'll start going for 5,000. So that's kind of the view I've got at the moment, and I suspect we are going to at least get halfway up there this month. So last month was a really good month. I think over 10% gain for the S&P. I suspect we're going to get a similar month this month in December. So the Christmas rally should start early. And if you're paying attention here on the weekly, you'll see there is a left shoulder, has a massive head, and there is a right shoulder. So clear of this area of consolidation, which is to the left here, and we break through, find support, that's going to validate this big inverse head and shoulders, and then you're going to expect a bit of a run next year. Okay, anyway, that's kind of me for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.